Hey, it's Michael LaFido. I have two exciting announcements. Number one is our recent book, Secret to Top Luxury Agents. It hit multiple categories, bestseller status on Amazon, six categories. It was a bestseller. On Amazon, you can find it both in Kindle. You can see my soft cover, and we have hardcover here as well. Again, soft hardcover and Kindle on Amazon. It's also on Barnes and Nobles. But I want to give you a copy of my book absolutely free. Instead of going to Barnes and Noble or Amazon and paying $30 plus shipping, I want to send you the book for free. All you got to do is pay for the shipping. It's that easy. This book is 26 chapters of pure gold, 300 pages. Literally, we asked all of the contributors, tell us about your first luxury sale. How did they find out about you, and vice versa? We also give them other questions to pick from: how to price luxury homes, best strategies for lead generation, as well as best marketing strategies, amongst others. Every author answered at least 7 questions. And then at the end of each chapter, we also ask questions for consumers. We call this the bonus section of the book. There are over 200 tips for homeowners thinking of selling, 200 tips for sellers from these rock star agents featured in the book, and over 100 tips for buyers. We ask these agents point blank, what tips and advice, what should a consumer look for in an agent when buying a home before they sign a buyer agency agreement and potentially pay them? Those are the bonus questions at the end of each chapter. Again, for more information on this book and to get the book absolutely free, all you got to do is pay shipping and handling. Simply go to freeluxurybook.com. You see the website here, freeluxurybook.com. I want to send you a copy. You just pay the shipping and handling of $9.97. Unfortunately, this offer is only good for U.S. residents. If you're not a U.S. resident, we will send you the digital copy of the book free. But literally, if you go to this website, you'll see amazing reviews already. You'll see the foreword is written by undercover billionaire Glenn Stearns, and these amazing co-authors: Julie Foppel from Realm, Jack Cotton. He's the godfather of luxury real estate, been licensed for over 50 years. He's out of Cape Cod with Sotheby's. Elena Cardone, Kofi Narti, amongst others. My friend Frank Azami with Sotheby's. You talk about first class service, Frank Azami. I could go on and on and on, but take a look. And then, of course, we have the 3 rising stars as well in the book. So 23 rock star agents, 3 rising stars. All you got to do is pay the shipping and handling of $9.97. I'll give you this $30 book absolutely free. Again, my name is Michael LaFido. Do me a favor. If you do read it and you get value, please leave us a like, leave us a review. Keep raising the bar for the industry. And if you want to know where we are speaking next, we're going to be doing 24 Lux designation trainings over the next year or so. You can go to luxurylistingspecialist.com. Just click on the event tab or reach out to me privately. Michael LaFido, make it a great day and prove others wrong. Again, secrets to top luxury agents. Don't wait. I'm giving it to you free. All you got to do is pay for the shipping and handling. Literally 300 pages of pure gold. Go to freeluxurybook.com. Take care.